Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop you didn't sign up for? Like your mind's running on autopilot, feeding you stress, fear, and self-doubt? You're not alone. In this video, we'll unpack the hidden patterns messing with your self-worth, and more importantly, how to break free and rebuild a mind that truly supports you. Act 1. The problem. Trapped in toxic patterns. Ever wake up at 2 a.m., staring at your phone, doomscrolling, and feeling more anxious and empty with every swipe? Or maybe you hear that inner critic, maybe an old echo of a parent, whispering, "You're not good enough." These are signs you're stuck in a toxic mental diet. You're feeding your mind junk news, toxic social media, and old family fears that hijack your self-image. Our minds get a constant stream of negativity, breaking news, angry comments, reels of perfect lives. Each bite of negativity rewires our beliefs. You start to think, the world is scary or I'll never measure up. And nearly 40% of your day? It runs on autopilot, on programming you didn't even choose. Doomscrolling feels harmless. But each swipe is like a puff of a cigarette for your brain, a quick dopamine hit, then a crash. We chase validation and end up feeling emptier than before. Deep in your mind, old childhood scripts replay. If someone said you're too sensitive or money is bad, those words became beliefs. They feel true, even when they're not. The result? A vicious loop of low self-worth. We try fake self-love, binging on dessert, impulse shopping, zoning out with TV. But those are just band-aids. Now that we've exposed the problem, let's move to Act 2 and understand the inner struggle. Act 2. The struggle, battling inner saboteurs. In Act 2, we dive into the daily battle inside your mind. You wake up determined. No phone till breakfast. Speak kindly to myself today. But by lunch, the old patterns creep back. A quick scroll, a guilty glance at someone else's life, and the anxious voice returns. I deserve a break, you say, then binge junk food or oversleep. Sound familiar? Relationships feel it too. Patterns from home show up in love. Used to conflict growing up? A small fight now feels catastrophic. If you were criticized a lot, you might chase validation or push people away. Inside, an inner saboteur whispers, "You're not lovable unless," or "this will end in pain." Outwardly, life looks okay. But inside, it's a storm, insomnia, anxiety, exhaustion. You look in the mirror and see someone who's lost. We reach for quick fixes, a new gadget, a whole cake, or promising to start fresh tomorrow. But those are distractions, not healing. It hurts to admit how tangled things are. But that honesty? It's power. What's really holding you back? The answer lies in hidden beliefs and old family scripts. Shine a light on them. It might sting, but it's necessary. You might tear up and realize, that's not who I am. I've been living someone else's fear. This is a turning point. Raw, real, life-changing. In Act 3, we find the breakthrough, the tools to rewrite your story. Act 3, breakthrough. Reprogramming and rebuilding. This is where change begins. You've seen the chains. Now let's unlock them. First, remember, you are not your past. Those old stories, "I'm not worthy" or "I always fail," are just that, stories. Not facts. Rewire your mental diet. Your mind is a garden. What you plant grows. Plant weeds like gossip or fear, and they'll overrun you. Plant flowers like affirmations and inspiration, and they'll bloom. Unfollow fear. Mute the noise. Swap doom scrolling with microlearning. Even 5 minutes of positive input rewires your brain. Affirmations and morning rituals. Start your day with intention. Before checking your phone, pause. Breathe. Stretch. Grab a journal. Write 3 things you're grateful for. Set one powerful intention for the day. Then look in the mirror. Say out loud, "I am worthy. I choose courage." Say it like you mean it. Stick affirmations around your room. Build a playlist of power songs. End the day with gratitude. Write down one win and whisper, "Tomorrow will be great." Confront limiting beliefs. Take a belief like "I'm a failure" and ask, "Where did this come from?" It's likely an old wound. Recognize that voice isn't you. Rewrite it. Flip it to, "I grow from every experience." Keep a thought journal. When a negative thought shows up, write it down. Challenge it. Replace it. Label the old ones. Fear. Old story. Then speak your new belief with heart. Say it. Feel it. Live it. Manage social media as a tool. Try a 24-hour digital detox. It'll feel weird, But that's the detox working. When you return, be intentional. Ask, am I scrolling with purpose? Turn off non-essential alerts. Unfollow anything that drains you. Curate your feed with things that uplift. Let your scroll energize you, not envy you. Rebuild relationships consciously. Healing transforms how you relate. Notice your triggers. Pause. Breathe. If someone interrupts, say, I feel unheard. Not you're rude. Choose your circle wisely. Spend time with people who celebrate you. It's okay to outgrow those who hold you back. Every boundary you set reinforces your worth. Cultivate true self-love. Self-love isn't just spa days, it's discipline. It's saying no to junk because you love your body. It's saying yes to rest because you love your peace. Be your own best friend. Would you let a friend wallow in doubt? No, you'd lift them up. So do the same for yourself. Celebrate wins. Forgive missteps. Take yourself on a self-date. Invest in therapy, coaching, or growth. That's not indulgence, it's belief in your value. And slowly, that belief becomes unshakable. The breakthrough and beyond. One day, you'll notice the shift. A calm morning, kinder self-talk, peace on your terms. You'll see a smile in the mirror, a real one. Not because life's perfect, but because you've become your own ally. And that's unstoppable self-worth. If this resonated, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need this. Drop a comment with one small step you'll take today. Maybe a new affirmation, a journal entry, or setting a boundary. Let's support each other. Subscribe for more empowering content. And remember, you have the power to rewrite your story. It starts with you.